Muskan Jain. I'm a jewelry stylist. Hello everyone, I'm Muskan Jain. I'm a jewelry stylist and the creative director at Navkar Jewelers. And in this episode, I will be talking about silver jewelry for teenagers. This is the part 2 of the previous video. In the first part, we did gold and diamond jewelry for teenagers. So if you want to have a look, I will leave the link in the video. So you can check it out. As a teenager, dressing up is one of the most exciting things to do, and you can experiment your looks with a variety of jewelry. You have so much options to choose from gold jewelry, from silver jewelry, from diamond jewelry, but I think the most affordable jewelry is the silver jewelry. And silver jewelry will never go out of fashion, and it is always on the affordable side. Talking about silver jewelry I think is the most preferred jewelry all around the globe, and it is the most affordable jewelry. Anyone, literally anyone, can afford, anyone can wear it, and you have a wide range to choose from. But whenever purchasing silver jewelry, always be careful, always look for the hallmark stamp. There is a 9 to 5 hallmark stamp always within the jewelry. So whenever purchasing jewelry, always take care whether it's a gold jewelry or a diamond jewelry or a silver jewelry. Always check for the hallmark stamp. That is only when you know that what you're buying is pure. And in this 25th year of Navkar has brought you the Silver Store. The store has everything: your corporate gifts, your jewelry items, your idols, anything you want to purchase in silver, we have it. If you're going to college, you're wearing something Indian and you want to wear some silver jewelry with it, wear small jhumkas, wear lightweight bracelet, and I think that is enough. Now talking about the jhumkas always add dimension to your face. You can always choose the size of jhumka according to your face shape. We have different sizes of jhumkas. We have small ones, medium ones, and the big ones as well. So I will show you some pictures right here so you will get an idea about it. If you have a round face and you're wearing a jhumka, an elongated jhumka will make your face look longer. And if you have a small face, you should always stay away from those extra large jhumkas. It will overcome your face and your face will look much smaller in front of the jhumka. Now, rather than jhumkas, we also have long drop earrings, we have studs, we have chandwalas. And for long drop earrings, a square face and a round face is perfect. But you can always experiment with different shapes and different styles of earrings. So you will obviously know which shape suits you the best. I will show you some pictures of our silver collection earrings so you can have an idea about what I'm talking about. And silver jewelry can go with the Indian styles and with the Western styles as well. You do not have to pick and choose what to wear with Indian outfits or what to wear with the Western outfits in silver jewelry. You can always interchange, and it's never goes out of fashion. Now coming to bracelets are always about fun and charm, and whenever you're talking to someone, you always move your hands like I do a lot. So it is really graceful when you wear something. It adds elegance and confidence to your style. We have a huge collection in it. They are so beautiful and they are so lightweight, you will love it. We have these meenakari karas as well, antique karas, and I will show you some pictures right here so you will get an idea of what I'm talking about. And we have a huge collection. We have big chunky bracelets as well, and we have those lightweight bracelets as well that anyone can wear it. Not only teenagers but anyone of my age, my mother's age, grandmother's age, anyone can wear it. They are daily wear, and they will look beautiful. Now, coming to silver rings. Silver rings are always a go. You can always opt for those big, huge cocktail rings or those simple bands, silver bands. All of it looks perfect every time you wear it. You know, if you don't want to overdo your jewelry, you can just wear a small pair of earrings and a big, huge cocktail silver ring, and you're good to go. We have a huge range in silver rings. I will show you some pictures right here. You will get an idea of what I'm talking about. We have bands, cocktail rings, different occasional rings, and we have a huge collection, and you will love it. Now coming to sets. Now for a teenager, obviously set is not an option, but obviously you can wear it on occasions. We have a variety of sets and in different styles for you to choose from. I will show you some pictures and you will get an idea of what I'm talking about. So that is it for the video, guys. I hope you liked it. I will show you some pictures of a silver collection right here, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye.